dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upset. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, so go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtail bag, 240 for your speed, then hitch you to an open sleigh and crack you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sumantini. I study in class 3rd. My school name is Abbott Collegiate. I am here to give speech on Christmas Day. We also know Christmas as the feast day of Christ. It is a Christian holiday, but we all celebrate it with great joy and happiness. On Christmas Day, we honor the birth of Jesus Christ. In the Christian religion, people believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God for years. Besides other religions, in India, we celebrate it as a cultural holiday in the 25th December. It occurs in the winter season.
Morning everyone, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. I, Janvi Shrivastava of Awadh Collegiate, Daroga Kheda branch of Standard 8C, here going to give you some information about the festival of the year called as Christmas, full of joy, happiness, music, dance and your enthusiasm. This day is called as the Day of Joy. So, what is the history behind this Day of Joy, means Christmas, which is celebrated every year on 25th December? As this day also marks the new year, which is the upcoming year, and the Christmas Day as well. So, what is the history behind this day actually? This day is celebrated as the birth occasion of the Christians' God, Jesus Christ. He was born around 2000 years ago. The beautiful lady named as Mary have given birth to the children of God, means Jesus Christ. As afterward, during his good deeds, he came to known as the God of Christians, means the Jesus Christ. So now the main point come here that the Santa, the power of this day, which makes this day more joyful. So as how Santa can make our day joyful by giving us the different gifts according to our demands, because we get the gifts by our parents, which will become a Santa for us. So can you ever think about the poor kids who doesn't get their gifts from Santas, as you are getting your gifts from Santas according to your demands? But that poor kid doesn't get any of the gift from Santa. So can you become the Santa for that poor kid or that poor kids? There are thousands of children, those who doesn't get gifts from Santas every year at the day of Christmas, where you are playing games with your friends, eating good foods. They are still sitting on the streets of the roads. So, of course, we can become the Santa for that kid or thousands of similar kids by giving the gifts according to their demand, as they will become happy. And giving happiness is the main motto of this day, because according to Jesus Christ, giving happiness is the main and the best work according to him in the life. So with this, as ongoing due to this pandemic situation of coronavirus in year 2020, let's make this the year or the end of this year 2020 a very precious and auspicious moment for the kids or the poor children, as by giving them their demanded gifts, or according to your wage you can give their gifts to the poor kids who usually sits on the street or who are poor. So with this, thank you and have a nice day.
Very cold and please good morning to everyone. I'm Joy of class 7 from Adkar Dakha branch, and today I'm here to tell you about Christmas. Christmas is a season of love, harmony and celebration. This is a particular time to celebrate Jesus Christ's birth. Being a festival for Christians, also this festival is celebrated by everybody with great enthusiasm and also with full of joy. People light their home and decorate it with candles and also so many things like Christmas tree. Yeah, Christmas tree. It is much symbolization of Christ. It is essential Christmas reminds that we should stay to the essential of humankind. In other words, during the celebration, we will share, offer to less fortunate, spend time with loved ones, and have a good time with life. Thank you and have a nice day.